Seedance 2.0 is easily one of the most impressive AI video models we've seen so far. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what some top filmmakers are saying. Rhett Reese, the screenwriter behind Deadpool, even said, "I hate to say it, it's likely over for us." And Ram Gopal Varma, a well-known Bollywood director, called it the murderer of the film industry. So yeah, it's creating serious buzz all around the world. But here's the catch. If you're outside China, you can't officially access it. There are some third-party services that offer API access, but they come with heavy limitations. Now, if you've been trying to figure out how to actually use Seedance 2.0 to create content, this is where things get interesting. Mindvideo AI has integrated Seedance 2.0, and it unlocks its full potential. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it and start generating content using Seedance 2.0 through Mindvideo AI. Let's dive in. Alright, this is the Mindvideo homepage. You'll find the link in the description. Now, Mindvideo AI isn't just another video generator. It's more like an all-in-one creative studio for content creators. You can generate images, videos, music, and even voiceovers, all inside the same platform, under a single subscription. So you don't have to jump between different tools anymore. If you want to get started, just click on the Login for Free button right here and create your account. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will look something like this. Here, you will find all the creative tools, popular templates, and recent videos. On the right sidebar, you will find all the features. As I will talk about Seedance 2.0, I am selecting the text-to-video option from here. Okay, this is the Mindvideo text-to-video generator interface. Now, first of all, we have to select the video generation model. Here, you will find almost all the powerful and popular AI video models, including the Mindvideo native models. However, I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 Pro model. Once the model is selected, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. If you want to make a great result, just follow the prompt template. Subject plus action plus scene plus camera plus lighting plus style plus audio plus quality suffix plus constraints. That's the core structure at a high level. A modular prompt system designed for clarity, precision, and creative control. I will put the full prompt formula in the description. You can look into it and create your own detailed prompt. Okay, after entering the prompt, we have to select the video duration. Seedance can create 15-second long videos. Next, we have to select the aspect ratio of the video. In the end, you can enable public visibility and the copy protection feature. Once all the settings are set, hit the Create button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the video is ready. What you're seeing here was generated entirely from a text prompt using Seedance 2.0. Notice the body mechanics on that right hook. The shoulder rotation, hip torque, and realistic head snap on impact are all physically accurate. Even small details like dust displacement, floor scrape, and visible sweat particles in the air came through cleanly. There's no slow motion or weird frame interpolation. It holds strict real-time pacing the entire time. The big takeaway here is that prompt specificity is everything. The more you write like a director, the more Seedance delivers like one. Okay, now let's talk about multi-shot video generation. Yes, you can create a multi-shot video using Seedance 2.0 like a pro. The prompt formula is the same as before, but you have to break them into scenes. For example, here is my prompt. This is the shot 1. After that, this is shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, and shot 5. You can notice that I mentioned the shot and its duration with a detailed prompt. You have to follow the prompt guide I mentioned earlier for every shot. Mindvideo also has some preset prompts you can use from here. Okay, once the prompt is ready, set the video length, aspect ratio, and other settings, and then hit the Create button. After waiting for a short time, I got this video. Look at the result. This video perfectly showcases Seedance 2.0's powerful multi-shot generation capability, delivering a cohesive cinematic sequence across 5 precisely timed shots. Across all 5 shots, Seedance 2.0 maintains stable temporal continuity with no unnatural frame interpolation, proving its ability to handle varied pacing, intimate details, and large-scale action within a single, seamlessly stitched generation. Okay, so Seedance 2.0 can really be a threat to the traditional filmmaker. However, there is a catch. You can't create consistent character or style videos with only text prompts. If you want a consistent result, you have to use the image-to-video generator mode. To access the image-to-video generator, come to the Image-to-Video tab. Now select the Seedance 2.0 video model from here. Once the model is selected, you have to upload the image here. You can upload the first frame and the last frame of the video. If you already have the image, just upload the image. If you don't have the image, only have the idea, then come to the Text-to-Image tab to generate the image. Mindvideo is truly an all-in-one content creator hub. Like the video generator, you will find all the popular image models here. Select which one you want to use. After that, enter your prompt here in this box. After entering the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the Create button. And here it is. The image is ready. Now, come to the Image-to-Video tab. Select the Seedance 2.0 model. After that, upload the image. You can select from your creation or upload an image. You can also add the last frame of the video. Now, enter the prompt. After entering the prompt, set all other settings and then hit the Create button. And here it is. The video is ready. And look at the result. This is really something called amazing. The character is now consistent. The motion, the physics simulation are just perfect and realistic. Now, you can create images with this character and style, and then turn them into video clips to create a consistent result. Okay, now let's create a multi-shot video with this image. And let's see how Seedance keeps the character consistency. Let's say I want to create a Red Bull TVC with this character. I am entering a 5-shot video prompt. After entering the prompt, I will set all other settings and then hit the Create button. And here it is. The video is ready, and look at the result. You can see the capability of Seedance 2.0 to handle subtle, character-driven storytelling with the same precision as high-octane action. This is a 5-shot sequence, and the result proves that Seedance 2.0 excels not just at action spectacle, but at nuanced, multi-shot cinematic storytelling with consistent physics, lighting, and character detail across every transition. So now we can create Hollywood-level videos using Seedance 2.0 using this prompt formulation. And you can access Seedance 2.0 on Mindvideo AI, along with so many other AI video, image, and music generators. So, if you want to scale your content creation with Seedance 2.0, try it on Mindvideo AI. I will put the link in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!